video is a little bit messier than I'd like to admit, but here we are, packing for Walt Disney World. I'm always so excited. I live, breathe, love everything Disney World, and we're going to meet some content creators in Orlando and hang out with them. And I'm just so excited. I've never done anything like this. I don't know what to expect. I hope that they like me. So yeah, let's get our stuff together. I kind of have some stuff laid out, so let me show you guys. I have some maybe pile on the floor just to get it out of the way for now. These are some maybes that I might take depending on how much space I have. Did this dress, which is giving me major Cinderella vibes, and I have my Cindy Nuimo. I also have these. I don't even know what kind of blue they are. They're a prior Disney World ears that they released. I thought that would be, I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm kind of doing the best that I can post working. So I have this Donald Duck, Darth Donald Duck shirt. I got these leather or pleather shorts from Amazon. So I thought that would be cute. We're having like a galactic Valentine's Day meetup on one of the days. So I have a couple Star Wars outfits and probably one too many. So next I have this white dress. It's kind of like sheer. So I have like a mauve pair of shorts to go underneath. And then this belt, I know it should be silver, but that was all I had. And then we have these Leia ears to go with it, so that's cute. And then we have this R2-D2. It's a Loungefly fanny pack, which I thought was cute. And then I got this from Tokyo Disney, so I thought just here with the Leia moment would be really cute. So there's that outfit for Hollywood Studios. Sorry, I forgot to show this. This is for the mall outfit, so we'll put this over here. Again, it's a little messy. And then I did DIY this last year. It's a fanny pack from Amazon. I got the patches from, I think, Etsy, and it turned out cute. So I think I'm gonna use this for the actual Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day brunch that we're doing. So this is the outfit I have for that. It's a dress from Amazon, pink. It ties in the front. So I think this with that is going to be obviously really girly, really pink, really Galentine's Day. I might throw on my little Daisy Nuimo. And then I have a couple options for ears. I got these from Main Street Kari on Instagram. And if you've seen any of my shorts, Instagram or TikTok, you'll see that I DIY'd these ears. So that's also an option. I'll be with my friend, Sirani. So I'm gonna bring extra ears anyway in case she needs some. So I also have these from Tokyo Disney that I think would like really elevate the look. So let me show you. I feel like it kind of brightens everything up because it is white with pink and not pink with white. So there's that. Brunch that we're doing, not at Epcot, but we're gonna meet at Epcot afterwards. And then I got this dress. It's like a rainbow maxi dress for Festival of the Arts for Epcot. I got this beret, so I'm not gonna wear ears that day, but I got this beret for this outfit, and I have this Disney Parks iridescent Loungefly, which I thought would be cute and kind of a nod to Figment. Ideally, I would have an orange cardigan with this, but orange isn't really like in season right now, so we gotta make do with what we got. I do have like a Han Solo vest and a white undershirt, so I might take this with a pair of jeans in case I need another Hollywood Studios outfit, which I don't. But I absolutely love this. We got this at the parks last time. It's a little Wookiee backpack. And I think that it would just kind of be adorable to be like Han Solo and have him there and even meet Wookiee or Chewie. So I don't know yet. Would I be able to wear these ears with a Han Solo bound and have him? I'm gonna start packing. I have my packing cubes. I'm gonna start doing it. You know that I do by park to make it easier. So I'm only gonna be there for like 3 days. Now, since it is more of like a content creator trip, we'll be getting on some rides, but we'll be like taking pictures, doing outfit changes. So if you see me looking like I'm packing for a week, then that's why. For when we have that day, because I have the most Star Wars stuff, I'm gonna do that one because this is the biggest packing cube that I have. So I'm gonna roll everything up in here, like bras, socks. I have some tights in case it gets cold prepared. I'm also gonna bring a jacket, don't you worry. With Studios Day, if I can fit the Han Solo outfit, I'll definitely do that. I'm gonna roll everything up, keep everything together so it makes my life easier. Again, I already put my bra in there. I'm doing a white bra because of this like sheerness. We want to be able to be appropriate. I'm nervous, but yet very excited. So I normally do stuff like this, and I'm kind of nervous, and I hope all the girls like me. It would be nice to have people in Florida, like when I go to hang out with. If I ever do like an actual solo trip on my own, which technically this is, except I will be with my friend the whole time. So again, I'm gonna take some extra ears in case my friend needs them. That way we can like match or whatever. I just have a bunch of extra ears because I normally buy the family ears here. So from my thrifting Disney video. And if you haven't checked that out, you totally should. And if you haven't subscribed, you should. So I am considering taking this vest. Now I don't like the way it fits on me, but I think it might be cute for a quick photo moment. So I think I'll pack her because she's so light anyway. My Mickey ears, my Cindy Nuimo for the Cinderella outfit, and my Cinderella colored ears. I prefer sports bras when I'm out there, but I think that's just everybody's preference. I just feel like the lightweight sports bras that are more like lounging bras, more comfortable and supportive enough. Oh man, I might have to do 2 bags. I don't think I have another big one. So this is the one for Festival of the Arts, and it's super cute. It's rainbow, so for that like artist moment to go along with the beret, I think is adorable. I might need another packing cube for this one. Actually, it's so pretty on. I'm very excited for this. Again, we're all getting like cute and girly and pink, and very excited. So again, I'm gonna pack the Tokyo Disney. I'm going to pack these. Pack the ones that I, of course, DIY'd. And let me show you guys what I got from Box Lunch for the Galactic Valentine's Day. I don't know that it will be cold enough to use it, but let me show you. And I have been waiting for this to return in stock for a while. It says Pod Racing, Tatooine Pod Racing. There's like an Anakin patch somewhere here. You see it? And so this is where we're at with our packing. Lastly, I'll be adding in my LOUNGEFLYs. So trick with your LOUNGEFLYs is pack your, like, maybe your underwears or your socks or whatever. You can still use this to put stuff in it, in your luggage. So don't do that as like wasted space. I just have to find a way to like fit them nicely. But yeah, other than that, I think we're good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. And I will see you next time on some of our Disney World vlogs. Come along with me as I do this content creator trip, which again, I've never done. And I will see you guys real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.